This, it's burnt dough. This is not properly made. This can stay in your stomach for days. Welcome. Today is gonna be a really interesting video. So I wanna start like that. It's a real video. Nobody's here with me. Like you can see here, we just finished to work yesterday. Everything is a mess. Nobody's here. Trust me. Just me and the camera. And of course you, there you are watching. So thank you so much for watching. Some of you got this issue too. So my goal is to let you understand this problem. This way you don't make it. So please go ahead, watch until the end, invest your time. I disappear for a little bit because you saw the comments on my last post. I don't want to talk about drama, so it's past, forget about it. But please watch until the end because it's the most important thing of my channel right now. It needs the watch time. I want to make this video because I don't want you to close the pizza place. I don't want you to make a bad pizza. So here is how to resolve this issue because I went in depth for one day to see what was the issue and then I find out what was that. For a week or so, we start to have some issue with the pizza dough. It's really important. So today I'm going to explain you this problem that I had with the pizza dough because yesterday something really bad happened. I couldn't open because if the pizza is not 100% ready, I don't open the pizza place. If not 100% perfect, I don't open. So yesterday, as soon as I came here, of course, I trained the people to do it, how I do it. This pizza chef did the same exactly steps of what I did, but last night I came and the pizza didn't come out perfect. It was so flat. I'm gonna make it right now. I have to find what's the problem. So I say tomorrow, me and you, we come here, we make the dough exactly how you make it. We made the dough like usual, Polish flour, salt, and then if it's cold, we add some yeast. So anyway, so we make the dough, he balls it, I ball it, so I say maybe it's a problem with the balling. So he makes 4 balls, I make 4 balls, and then during the night, actually during the day, every 2 hours, 3 hours, I was tracking the dough. And then I say, okay, text me a picture, text me a picture. So every hour he was text me a picture of the dough. I say, well okay, they look the same, almost. So it cannot be the problem that. So, and then 7 p.m., exactly the time to open the pizza place, the dough was ready. So I stretch it. I save also one dough from the day before, which is the one that I have here. I'm gonna get it right now. So let me get the dough. Come with me. Turn on this. I wanna show you. This is the pizza place. Everything is like yesterday we opened up. So, okay. I save some dough just for you to see what was the problem. And then I'm gonna get the dough that is ready to use. Many of you got this issue before. So let's go ahead, let's go in the front. I wanna show to you what was the problem. So let me get the dough that we had the issue, which is still this and still the issue going on. I can't believe it was for a stupid thing, really, trust me, I had to close the pizzeria for this issue. You know how bad it is? For customer service, for customers themselves, try to explain every customer why we close. We lost so much money, but it's not for the money, forget about it. It's for the business. And this one can happen to you. So I don't want you to make this mistake. Tell me in comment if this one happened to you. This is the dough, how it look. Look at this, how flat it is, how shiny it is. It's even wet. It's unbelievable. This is happening for 1 week. Look, it doesn't have any air. It doesn't have any. The structure is there of the gluten, but it doesn't have any air inside. And that's a serious problem because the pizza comes out so flat. I'm gonna show you to you. I even turned it on the oven because I want to show you how the pizza came out. I was here at 8 o'clock. 2 people were sitting right there, and then this guy, the pizza chef, something is wrong. And then he gets out this pizza. Oh my God. I said to the customer, I'm sorry guys, but I prefer to not open the pizza place than making this type of pizzas, because the pizza needs to be perfect. So, and this is what I did after I find the mistake. This is the dough. Look how deep, look how closely, look how many, so this is my finger, look how much air is inside this dough, and look at how much is in here. So this is full of air. Not spending any time, I want to make this quick because I know that your time is valuable. So let me get the dough, put it in the flour. I want to show you how it looks like. Look, this is the dough. Look how soft it is. See how it goes down? It was also even hard to stretch. Say, fuck, that's a problem here. Boom. So you might think, okay, it's easy to stretch, it doesn't break. Now I'm gonna make it. Even if I stretch the cross, I'm gonna stretch it the same way. So I'm gonna put this pizza, I'm not gonna waste any food here. So I'm gonna go ahead, just put tomato sauce. I'm gonna go ahead, put a little bit of olive oil because it helps to cook. And then I'm gonna get the peel and show you. And let's go in the oven. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this pizza comes out. So like you can see already, you can tell there is something is wrong. It's not pumping out. This dough is 24 hours of poolish, and then 24 hours outside the fridge, and then 24 hours in the fridge. So it should be like that one there. That is perfect. It's a little bit overproof, but we can still use it. I'm gonna go ahead and make also the good one to show you what was. Trust me, I'm making this video fast to show you and to show what was this mistake, because at the end you're gonna say, oh my god, it was a little thing. The pizza you might think this is a good pizza, okay? You might think, look how it is. We're talking about more than 48 hours of fermentation. Now let's get the real dough. And then I'll show you how a pizza is supposed to come. You know what I mean? I can tell already that is by cutting the dough, I can tell you right now already that the dough is strong, the structure is perfect, and it's a good pizza. I mean, this is look how much hair is inside here. Put it in the flour. Dun, dun, dun. You can stretch it. So I'm making the pizza really fast, okay? Here we go. Let's go ahead. Let's put the same thing. Tomato sauce. Boom, boom, boom. Voila. Olive oil. A little bit of olive oil. Done. Let's go in the oven. Yesterday, this dough, the one that it was bad, it really was really bad. So let's go ahead and put it in the oven. Come with me. So let's go ahead, let's cook and show you. Turn. I mean, don't judge the shape, judge the problem. The problem itself, the fermentation. It was not properly made, and by one mistake. Sure. Look at this. Look already what a huge difference on the dough. I mean, super crunchy. But let me compare it next to each other. Look at this. So the mistake, this was no mistake. Look. You might think, but this is good too. No, guys, look how white it is. This little black here is already showing me. Look at the bottom. Look at the bottom. And then look at the bottom of this. See? Look at the comparison next to each other. This, it's burnt dough. This is not properly made. This can stay in your stomach for days. And this one, look at this. You get the charm. It's crunchy. It's soft. Really digestible. Those are good black dots. So imagine we opened yesterday to make money. We would lose all the customers. The people were talking about right and left, and adios business. So If you're watching this video, please don't do this mistake I'm about to tell you. So I'm gonna go directly in the fridge, and here we go. All this frustration, all of this problem because the yeast that was used in the polish. Anyway, let me show you how is this slice of pizza. Look the crust. It's raw. It's even raw. I'm gonna get you a close up right now. It doesn't have any air, zero structure on the dough. This one here, huge difference, huge difference. I mean, guys, take a look. Look, this is how the dough is supposed to be. Nice, soft, crunchy, in the same time. I'm gonna get you this camera here because that's when you're using dry yeast, and this is a mistake also for this company, I have to say it, because it says here, my pizza chef, I got really upset with him. Read something that probably they made a mistake. Another pizza chef made a mistake. Because here says, una volta aperta la confezione, richiudere con il suo coperchio di plastica e conservare in frigorifero tra 10 gradi e 10, tra 0 e 10 gradi, consumare entro 2 mesi. It says right here. So I discover that this one is a mistake. Probably it's because it's cold, probably it's the winter, they should not put the dry yeast in the fridge. Never put this yeast in the fridge. The yeast, dry yeast, goes in a room temperature, not too hot, not too cold, regular room temperature. Leave it outside. And they say you don't make this mistake. By putting this in the fridge, you get this damn problem of dough, and then it becomes garbage. It becomes a huge damage. So if you can find fresh yeast, it's fine. Use fresh yeast because it goes in the fridge. But when you're using dry yeast, guys, don't put it in the fridge. All this video was to tell you this, but I had to explain to you. I personally never put it in the fridge, and the dough come out perfect. This time, this week, the pizza chef followed the instruction, put it in the fridge, and we had this issue. So guys, what can I say? I discovered that the problem was this, because the yeast, I made the dough with the same yeast, but not in the fridge, and it didn't happen. So that was the huge mistake. I hope that I resolved to some of you this easily fixed issue. Comment below if you ever had this kind of issue. I save your day today, because trust me, I save your business. And or if you're making pizza at home, I save your pizzas, because you don't want to make this. Remember this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you at the next video.